Tired of boring, predictable 3D prints? Get ready to unleash your creativity with the Eryone Silk Twist Rainbow Filament. This isn't your average rainbow filament. Our unique co-extrusion process creates a mesmerizing, twisting effect you won't find anywhere else. Imagine the possibilities: intricate designs, vibrant jewelry, stunning home decor, all with a magical, iridescent glow. But that's not all. Eryone Silk Twist Rainbow is incredibly easy to use. No more frustrating clogs, bubbles, or tangles. Just smooth, reliable printing every time. And with its wide compatibility, it works with most FDM 3D printers. Text overlay: easy to use, no clogs, no bubbles, smooth printing. For a limited time, we're offering an incredible deal. Get 5 spools of Eryone Silk Twist Rainbow in 5 breathtaking color combinations: Inferno, Obsidian, Psychedelic, Vortex, and Red Gold Blue. That's enough filament to fuel your creativity for months. Show the 5 spools together. Don't miss out on this chance to elevate your 3D printing game. Click the link below to order your Eryone Silk Twist Rainbow Filament now, before this amazing offer disappears. Let your imagination run wild.